Hello, my name is Steve, and I'm a juggler. And in this video, I will attempt to help you understand SITESWAP. SITESWAP notation is a notation system used to describe juggling patterns. Each throw or beat in the pattern is given a number, 0 through 9. First, I will explain asynchronous SITESWAPs. In any asynchronous juggling pattern, your hands will be alternating, like so. You will throw right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's start with SITESWAP 3, the 3-ball cascade. Every throw is a 3, so we know a 3 is a low crossing throw from hand to hand. Now, SITESWAP 4, the 4-ball fountain. It is still asynchronous, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And every throw is a 4. So we know a 4 is a slightly higher self-throw caught by the same hand that throws it. Next, SITESWAP 5, the 5-ball cascade. Cascade is the basic pattern for an odd number of objects, while fountains are the basic patterns for an even number of objects. In a 5-ball cascade, every throw is a 5. So we know that a 5 is a fairly higher crossing throw from hand to hand. We could call this pattern a 5-5-5 or a 5-5-5, 5-5-5, 5-5-5. But of course, it's much easier to simplify it to the least amount of numbers before it repeats itself. So we just call it 5. Another important thing to know about SITESWAP: it does not describe how or where a ball is thrown. Example, 3-ball cascade, every throw is a 3. If you did claw catches, every throw is still a 3. Windmill, under the leg, every throw is still a 3. SITESWAP notation only indicates how high a ball is thrown and which hand it is thrown to. So let's review. If you were to throw a 3, it would look like this. A 4 would look like this. A 5 would look like this. A 6 would look like that. The higher the number, the higher the throw. Odd numbers go to the opposite hand. Even numbers are caught by the same hand that threw them. Any number higher than a 9 receives a letter. A equals 10, B equals 11, C equals 12, etc., etc. But don't worry about that part yet. Now for the special throws, 0s, 1s, and 2s. A 0 is a pause in a pattern with an empty hand. Example, SITESWAP 3-3-0. Just like the 3-ball cascade, but with only 2 balls. A 1 is a quick pass from one hand to the other. Example, SITESWAP 5-1, the 3-ball shower. The left hand throws 5s and the right hand throws 1s. And of course, you could do this on the other side as well. A 2 is a pause in a pattern while holding a ball. Example, 5-2-2. Same as a 3-ball cascade, just higher and slower. Another important thing to keep in mind is that the actual height of your throws will depend on how fast you are juggling the pattern. For example, you could call this pattern SITESWAP 3, where every throw is a 3. This pattern in SITESWAP, you could call it a 3, because every throw is a 3. The lower you throw, the faster your hands will be moving to maintain the pattern. Once you have mastered the 3-ball cascade, the first couple SITESWAPs you will want to learn are